Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export timesheets to CSV here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, log into your account. Now just go ahead over to the left panel right here and click on Time Tracker. And here, what you'll do is just go to your My Data or maybe your Team's data. Okay. Now just basically click on Timesheets in this tab. Now, once done, you can go ahead and filter out your timesheet. Okay. Maybe approved right here, rejected, pending, draft, or all. All right. Let's switch to an account right here with an actual timesheet. Okay. Now let's go ahead over to My Data, Timesheets. Here we got the timesheet. All right. When you go ahead and click on it, you won't be able to see an export button. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to Reports. Right here at the bottom left, click on Reports, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you see here under My Reports, just go ahead and look for either time logs or go ahead and go to the search bar and type down timesheet. Okay, so you can see here we have timesheet data for payroll. Click on it and click on your timesheet. Now go to the top right and click on the three dots right here. You go ahead and download it as a PDF, print it right here, and export as a CSV. Okay, click on CSV and just click on Export. Once done, you're good to go. All right, there you go. Now, another option right here, we have time logs. Okay, you can go ahead and export this one. Just click on three dots, click on Export right here, and to CSV. Export. There you go. And there you have it. That is how you export timesheets to CSV here in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.